Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. So I just want to show you because I canned beets last week and I'm going to be canning more beets this week, today actually. So these are the beets. These are not some that I've grown. Mine are growing, growing some more, and I have to plant some more. But just look at these guys. These are some from our local farmer's market. And I had ordered, I think 10 pounds, 15 pounds. So this is what I got. And look at these. I mean, these are like a pound by themselves, but look at that. Huge. And this one is like monster. Look at that. And they're all the red ones. The ones that I'm growing are, they have like yellow and red rings. They're really pretty and really tasty. They're very, very sweet. So, and I'm going to be growing, I think I have 3 different varieties of seeds that I have to plant still. So I just wanted to take you guys along and I will show you the canned beets that I did last week. Here are the canned beets completed that I did last week, and I have 5 jars. We were supposed to use one last night, but we decided not to. So I think today I'm going to make something with one of these. So these look amazing. I had some people ask if I was going to pickle the beets or how to do them. I'm not going to pickle these. If I can get some more really good ones this week, then I will pickle some and show you guys how to do that. The only time I like pickled beets really is on a salad. I don't really eat them. We go through, like I told you, we love beets. And it's been one of the only canned products that I was still buying at the store. And that's going to be out. So I made 5 jars of the regular beets out of, I want to say 5 or 6 pounds. It's pretty much about a pound per jar is what I've found. So we'll see how many jars. I got to weigh these too. We'll see how many jars I get out of what I have. Out of these right here. And of course, you know, I will take you guys along for that. So I showed you guys the canning process the last time. These are going to be cooking, par cooking, only until I can get these skins off. And then I will take the peeler and peel the rest of the skins off. I will cut these off. I've already cut the root part off. And if you guys want to see that, I won't be doing that until later on this afternoon. So let me know if you want to see that again, the canning process. I mean, I pretty much did it on the video last time. I'm really not going to do anything different. But I will do a canning video if I pickle them later on this week. So I have a lot to can. We're going to be doing a special version of my Italian spaghetti sauce, my Italian gravy that I make and can. I'm going to do it completely different, so that's coming, and lots to show you guys in the garden. So for now, it's beets day. So I will see you guys later. Have a great day. Please, if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment section below so that I know that you're watching, and it also helps the algorithm with YouTube. My algorithm with YouTube has been way down because I'm not producing videos every day like I was. So you guys can help me out that way, and by watching my videos and watching some of the ads, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much, you guys. Thanks for all your support. I will see you soon.